Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Wolf. Today we're going to learn how to find weather.com for a weather report. First you're going to find Google Chrome and click on that. Once you have Google Chrome up, it might look different from mine. You're going to come up to the top and find the search bar and click in there and you're going to type weather.com, weather.com, and then you're going to press enter. This brings us to the Weather Channel website. What we need to do first is search for our city. Click in this box and type in Lebanon, Lebanon. There's a bunch of Lebanons here. We want to pick our location, which is Lebanon, PA. Remember, PA represents Pennsylvania. So go ahead and click on that. This brings up the weather for currently in Lebanon. Today we're going to be working with the today option and also the hourly option. So if you look down here, we have our degrees and our temperature. We have the high and low for that particular day. Over here we have wind speed and air pressure. If you go down, there's an option for the next 36 hours. This is what's happening right now, later in the evening, and then the following days after. If you keep going down, there's another option called radar. Radar is a map, and that shows us what is upcoming in the weather. This is a great tool to use for your predictions in your weather report. Then you can go back up to the top and click on the option that says hourly. Hourly tells us what is happening each hour. This gives good information for how the temperature is changing throughout the day. It also can tell us if there's precipitation happening throughout the day, as well as the wind speed. So this is how we get to the Weather Channel for our weather report.